We have many different sizes of tires to choose from. 225 50 18, 225 55 18, 225 60 18, 235 68 for small truck tires. We have many sizes to choose from. If we don't have your size, we do have alternate tires to fit your size. Give Dale a call back at 713-894-0593. So if you're looking for certain sizes and you see it in the video, leave me a text at 713-894-0593. Many different sizes that we do have. And these are low profile tires. So if you have a sports vehicle and you're looking for certain sizes and they are hard to find, give Dale a call. 713-894-0593. We're open 7 days a week from 9 a.m. until 8 p.m. Monday through Saturdays. Open on Sundays as well. Just give me a call. I'll be more than happy to give you a great deal. Thank you.